When we talk about motorcycles that define simplicity, ruggedness, and timeless appeal, the Yamaha TW200 is always part of that conversation. For decades, this little dual sport has been the hidden gem in Yamaha's lineup, loved by adventurers, commuters, and beginner riders alike. Now in 2026, Yamaha has brought us the newest evolution of the TW200, and while it stays true to its original DNA, it also takes things to the next level in terms of refinement, performance, and overall versatility. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 carries that familiar fat tire design which immediately sets it apart from anything else on the road or trail. Those balloon-style tires are more than just a quirky feature. They provide incredible stability on loose surfaces, sand, gravel, and even snow. They also make the TW200 feel approachable for riders who may not be comfortable with taller, more aggressive dual sports. With its low seat height and wide tires, this bike feels like it's ready to tackle anything without being intimidating. For 2026, Yamaha has refined the chassis while keeping the lightweight and compact nature of the bike intact. The steel frame remains simple and robust, built to handle years of abuse on back roads and trails. The suspension has been upgraded slightly, offering better damping both on and off-road. You still get that soft, forgiving ride that the TW is known for, but now it feels more controlled and capable when you push it into tougher terrain. Powering the TW200 is still a reliable 196cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, but Yamaha has given it updates for 2026 to improve fuel efficiency, emissions, and throttle response. It's fuel-injected now, ensuring smooth starts in all conditions and consistent performance at different altitudes. The engine is not about speed, but about usability. It delivers just enough torque to crawl up rocky trails, cruise around town, or even handle light highway use. The TW200 has always been more about the journey than racing to the destination, and that philosophy is alive and well in this 2026 model. The transmission remains a 5-speed gearbox, perfectly geared for both city riding and trail exploration. Yamaha has worked on refining the clutch feel, making it lighter and easier for beginners, while still offering durability for long-term riders. The bike's manageable power combined with the smooth gearbox makes it one of the easiest motorcycles to ride, period. One of the big updates for 2026 comes in the electronics. While the TW200 stays true to its retro charm, Yamaha has added a modern LCD digital display, giving riders all the key information in a clear and simple layout. It also now comes with LED lighting front and rear, improving visibility and giving the bike a more up-to-date look while still keeping its rugged personality intact. Comfort has also seen an upgrade. The seat is redesigned with better padding, making longer rides more enjoyable. Ergonomics remain upright and relaxed, making it perfect for riders of all sizes. With a seat height of just around 31 inches, it's accessible to new riders and smaller riders, which has always been one of the TW200's strongest selling points. When it comes to fuel range, the TW200 continues to be practical. With its efficient engine and a fuel tank that holds just over 1.8 gallons, you're looking at impressive mileage per tank, making it great for both commuting and weekend exploration. Yamaha has also kept maintenance simple, which is one of the reasons so many riders keep their TW200s for decades. It's the kind of bike you can rely on in remote areas without worrying about complicated systems breaking down. The styling of the 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its roots, with a rugged, utilitarian look. You can still recognize the silhouette instantly, but Yamaha offers new color schemes and graphics that give it a fresher and more modern appeal. It's that perfect blend of classic and current. Who is this bike for? The answer is simple: almost everyone. If you're a new rider looking for something approachable, the TW200 is perfect. If you're an experienced rider who wants a reliable, go-anywhere machine that's lightweight and fun, the TW200 is perfect. And if you're an adventurer who wants a simple, trustworthy bike that can carry you off the beaten path without breaking the bank, the TW200 is absolutely perfect. In 2026, the Yamaha TW200 proves once again why it has such a cult following. It's not the fastest bike, not the most high-tech bike, and not the flashiest bike. But it's one of the most fun, most reliable, and most versatile motorcycles you can buy. With its fat tires, bulletproof engine, and timeless design, it remains one of the most unique motorcycles on the market. So, whether you're carving through city streets, exploring sandy trails, or just looking for a motorcycle that makes every ride feel like an adventure, the 2026 Yamaha TW200 is ready to deliver. It's proof that sometimes, the simplest machines are the ones that make us happiest.